Some of the interesting facts about 3D printing. Origins. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, was first developed in 1980s. Chuck Hull, an American engineer, is credited with inventing the first 3D printing technology called stereolithography (SLA). Layer by layer construction. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that involve subtracting materials such as machining or carving, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer from the bottom up. This additive process allows for greater design flexibility and complexity. Material diversity. 3D printers can work with a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food. Advances in technology continues to expand the variety of materials that can be used for 3D printing. Medical applications. 3D printing has revolutionized the field of medicine. It is used for creating custom implants, prosthetics, and even organs. Researchers are exploring the possibility of 3D printing functional organs using patients' own cells. Aerospace industry adoption. The aerospace industry has embraced 3D printing for creating lightweight yet strong components. This technology allows for the production of complex, intricate designs that were challenging or impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. Open source community. There is a vibrant open source community around 3D printing. Many 3D printer designing softwares and even printable object files are freely available, fostering collaboration and innovation. Consumer 3D printing. The availability of affordable desktop 3D printers has led to a growing community of hobbyists and enthusiasts. People use 3D printing for creating personal items, prototypes, and various DIY projects. Large-scale 3D printing. While desktop 3D printers are common, there are also much larger industrial use of 3D printers capable of producing large objects, including building components and entire houses. Bioprinting. In addition to creating structures with traditional materials, 3D printing has ventured into bioprinting, where living cells are used to build tissues and organs. This holds great promise for regenerative medicine. Efficiency. 3D printing can significantly reduce the time it takes to go from a design concept to a physical prototype or product. This speed and efficiency make it an attractive option for rapid prototyping and small-scale manufacturing. These facts showcase the versatility and transformative potential of 3D printing technology across various industries and applications. Hope you have liked this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel SSC Knowledge Center to watch more videos in future.